revisited old things and broken new ground with techniques that I used to use and developed a few extra ones, so I'm quite excited about that. We'll try that. Okay, that's Amboina burl. I ebonized some sheets of it. This is what it looks like when it's been ebonized. I do have a couple of, actually, they might be dry. Wait a minute. Here's some dry sheets that I did earlier in the week, so you can see the difference there. That bottom sheet's been ebonized, and this is how it normally looks. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. This sheet has been soaking for 24 hours. You can see it's got holes in it, which is just a natural feature when the veneering was done. So I'm going to put that in there, put that there, and I might just go and stick that in the press. To ebonize is easy. It's a solution of iron and ordinary vinegar. That's the colour it ends up, this sort of quirky colour. But I'm just making another batch here. And all I've done is ordinary white vinegar, and I've put steel wool in it. I prefer the finer steel wool, this stuff here, because it melts a lot quicker. And all you do is get strands of steel wool like this and just, it stinks too. Put it in the vinegar. I break it up, just pull it apart like that, and then just poke it in. I'll leave that for, I don't know, a week, maybe less. I'm in no great hurry for this. So you can see that vinegar is starting to change colour already. That's because it's dissolving the steel wool. That's white vinegar. That's 24 hours. This one I did yesterday morning, so that's been in there 24 hours. You can see it's starting to change colour, and that's what it looks like pure. So just ordinary white vinegar, nothing flash. You can use, if you haven't got steel wool or you don't want to waste the money on steel wool, you can use any metal at all. Screws, nails, staples, old bits of metal, providing it's got iron in it, it'll be fine. Okay, wait a minute, I'll just go and put this down, because I don't want to make a mess. Word of caution, when you are ebonizing, I strongly suggest you use glass or a plastic container, because what happened, I used one of these aluminium foil tins and I put the vinegar in there. The solution had eaten through this aluminium tray. So there you go. All right, the other thing I've done, which I'm pretty happy with, if you look at that, it's an eye, and that's inlaid. But what I'm going to do with this is this box here, and that piece of ebony that I just ebonized, Amboina I just ebonized, I'm going to lay over the top. So it won't be this bit, but it'll be the bit I just put over there. The eyeball's going to be placed on the top of the box, like that. And then this hole will actually be going over the top. So you've got this eye looking at you through the box. It's a bit spooky, but nice. I like the idea.